Are you looking for ideas on how to save money, but you don't want to skimp on taste? How about a hearty comfort food combination, French fries and gravy? It doesn't get much better than that. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a hearty, low-cost, recession-style meal, gravy and fries. Buckle up, let's go. Start off with a skillet over medium to medium-high heat. Throw in 1 tablespoon of bacon grease. If you don't have bacon grease, or if you don't like it, you can substitute with 1 tablespoon of butter, but to that add 1 pound or roughly about 500 grams of ground beef. Grab a flat bottom spatula, start hitting that ground beef, break it up into small bite-sized pieces. Once that beef is almost cooked and there's just a little bit of redness left, throw in 1 cup or roughly 100 grams of diced onions. Saute this until the beef is done, and those onions, they're nice and translucent and soft. At that point, you're ready to put in 3 tablespoons of flour. This is going to be our thickening agent. Give everything a stir, mix that flour in really well. Cook this over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. That'll help get rid of that flour taste. Alright, so here we go. We're ready to add a little bit of liquid to this. 2 cups of chicken stock, that's roughly about 500 milliliters. Pour it on in. And now's a great time to help out the channel by smashing that like button. Get this video out to all those that might like it. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, hit that subscribe button for more. Make sure to mix up everything well, scrape the bottom and sides of the pan, and then we'll add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then grab a little low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, dump it on in. Next, hit that spice rack for a half of a teaspoon of paprika. Give everything a little bit of a stir, and then a touch of black pepper, just a dash will do. Give it a mix, reduce this down over medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes nice and thick. And you definitely want this gravy to be thick. It's for fries, so you want it to stick to those French fries, so make sure you thicken it up, but once it's reached the desired thickness, give it a little bit of a taste, adjust the seasoning if necessary. You might add a little bit more salt. So there you have it, a delicious, hearty comfort food, a gravy for fries, a low-cost budget meal. If you like low-cost budget meals, check out my chipped beef gravy. It's a great way to have a delicious, hearty meal for less. Hey, and by the way, let me know what your favorite low-cost budget meal is.